Hey everyone, it is Monica the Mom Tog here. Welcome to the Monica the Mom Tog channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a matte effect on an image using the tone curve in Lightroom. But before we go any further, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Monica the Mom Tog channel so I can keep making these videos for you. Okay, this is the image I'm going to use. This is my daughter kind of jumping around on her bed. It's already kind of been edited, and you'll see that I have already come over here and found, well, I moved it and then now I went too far. I have already come over here and I have found the tone curve on the right side here in Lightroom. This kind of bottom section right here is kind of like where you'll find the shadows in a tone curve, and so sometimes it's just as simple as taking this far left point on the tone curve and just dragging it up. Can you see the difference that it's making? And you can go super far. Obviously I would never ever go this far, but just for effect, I'm dragging it way up there so you can see what that does. And you can just play with it until you get the amount of matte effect that you want in your photo. I'm kind of a little bit more of a contrasty person in my images, so I would probably also just take this one and just kind of drag it down and bring some of those blacks from her bed and her little dance outfit back. And that's really it. That's like the simplest tutorial in the world. That is how you get kind of that matte effect on your image in Lightroom using the tone curve. It's super simple. If you found this video helpful, if you will please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'm also on Instagram at Monica_Brown_photos, and my website is www.monica-brown.com. Thanks for stopping by.